Good morning, students. Today we discuss about the circulation in animal and what are the certain features in that. Well, in higher animal, the circulation consists of main two system. What can I say? Two fluid, that is blood and lymph. Okay, get it. So blood vascular systems. Higher animal like Annelida, Chordata have a special formulation, special systems. That is the blood, what can I say, blood which is pumped by heart and given to the tissue. So there is two ways. One is your open circulations, another is your closed circulations. So let's start open circulations. In animal having open circulation, how the blood is circulated through the visceral organ, direct to the tissue and direct to the cell. This is known as open blood circulations. How the exchange of material direct takes place between the cell and between the tissue. The blood flow with low pressure and usually they do not contain hemoglobin. It is flow with low pressure so that this does not contain hemoglobin. So the transpiratory system of gases does not require that. Example is arthropods and cockroach. Cockroach में arthropods में open circulation होता है, उनमें कोई hemoglobin नहीं रहता है. The system is your open. Second is your closed. Very simple. Get it? In your closed circulation, as the open circulation is open, so closed circulation is closed. The blood flow through the capillaries, through the veins, through the arteries. It is the dense network of capillary, artery and vein. So the heart pumps the blood with the help of this network of capillary, artery and vein. This is known as closed circulations. Get it? So all the vertebrates, we are also vertebrates. Get it? Now, in this type of circulation, blood flow within the blood vessels के through जाता है, and it's not direct contact with the tissue and cell, which having a main contact with your blood vessels. Get it? Now, there is a high pressure, so there is a requirement of hemoglobin. हमारे अंदर Hb है, so whatever the vertebrates are there, they contain high pressure of Bp and they contain the hemoglobin, and they are also bind with a fluid. The fluid is your blood and lymph. The closed circulation again consists of two ways. That is your single circulations, another is your double circulation. So single circulation. In single circulation, blood passes once only. You can say blood is only passes from heart to the tissue once, and it contains the oxygenated blood. Simple. Single circulations, because the deoxygenated blood is not come towards the heart. It goes towards, well, I am giving the example here. I am talking about fish. The fish contain the gills, जो ऊपर के उनके जो scales रहती है, the fish contain the gills. So the deoxygenated blood which are transferred with the help of this gill, which are done in fishes. I am talking about fish. Single circulations. The oxygenated blood flow from heart to the another tissue, but the deoxygenated blood which filter with the help of this gill. This is your single circulation. The oxygenated blood moves towards the body, heart toward the body, and gets all the back to the tissue. Now double circulations. Doubles, in that the name indicates double circulation means transport of oxygen and removal of carbon dioxide. But let me tell you, in double circulation, the blood passes heart twice during each cycle. Twice how? एक बार ऑक्सीजन लेने के लिए जाएगा, दूसरी बार CO को छोड़ने के लिए जाएगा. Get it? So in this animal, the heart pumps deoxygenated blood towards the body and oxygenated blood towards the lung. So the oxygenated blood which move from all parts of the body, all parts of the tissue, whether the deoxygenated blood come from the tissue, come from the all body parts and goes to the lungs, so that the lungs get filter the deoxygenated blood into oxygenated, and again the same process is going on. The oxygenated blood which are moved from lungs, tissue, body cell. Get it? लंग्स में जाएगा, जो ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड है वो पूरे बॉडी में जाएगा। जो डी ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड है मतलब जिसमें CO2 है वो हार्ट तक जाएगा, हार्ट के थ्रू लंग तक जाएगा, फिर वो इंस्पिरेशन करेगा, जो CO2 छोड़ देगा। O2 वाला ब्लड है वापस पूरे बॉडी में फैल जाएगा। तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर सर्कुलेशन प्रोसेस इन एनिमल, ओपन, क्लोज, सिंगल, डबल, एंड द ह्यूमन सर्कुलेशन विल आल्सो नोन एज सिस्टेमैटिक सर्कुलेशन। ह्यूमन सर्कुलेशन का जो प्रोसेस है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? सिस्टेमैटिक circulations. Get it? So this is all about your circulations in animal. So today we close and stop the topic. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.